welcome to another video. My name is Emmanuel. Glory Praise Emmanuel is my name, and I am a blockchain developer or a Web3 developer, whatever title that you want to call it, that's fine. This is going to be uh, a brief summary of what I've learned so far, like this week. Um, as you know from the last video, I am currently a student of Web3bridge and I've learned a lot and I'll be learning a lot. So I'm going to be doing this every week. So this is like the first or the second of those lines of videos. Before I go on, I want to explain some of these concepts that will be coming up because of this whole journey. I'll be starting with the blockchain. I said I was a blockchain developer, but what exactly is a blockchain? So the blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger that is controlled by the users of the network. It's immutable, which means that it cannot be altered, it cannot be changed. Whatever that you put there is going to be there. Um, a very good example to liken to a blockchain is like a Google spreadsheet, maybe a Google Docs. Now, the difference is that everybody can have access to that Google Docs or that Google spreadsheet. Everybody has access to it. Everybody on the network can run the, the blockchain on their system, and they can have access to it. Now, the beautiful thing about the blockchain is that the members of the networks are the ones that make the rule. Now, not random people. People that are in the network, they make the rule. It's actually called a consensus, like consensus rules. So moving on from the blockchain, I'm going to be talking more about Ethereum blockchain. Now, Ethereum is a type of blockchain, and I'm sure that you've heard about Ethereum Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum is different from Ether. Ether is the cryptocurrency that is used on the Ethereum blockchain. While Ethereum itself is the blockchain that is an open source computer, I can call it that, that allows transactions to run in a state. This is not Google's definition. I've written several articles that you could go on and read in depth about this. This is just like a summary. So now each user on the blockchain, you have access to an account, just like you have in the Web2. You have an access to an account, and that your account, you need like a wallet to access it. Now, a wallet is a software that you use to have access to the Ethereum network. So each user has an account or should have an account, and you can only access that account through a wallet. Now, there are two types of wallets. There's the non-deterministic wallet and there's the deterministic wallet. Now, the non-deterministic wallet is a wallet that is created randomly. Another name for it is actually random wallet. So it's created randomly. You can only have one account in a wallet, and since it's created randomly, it has its own private keys, of course, but you have to like back it up, because once lost, cannot be recovered because it's random, remember. So you will not be able to like generate that same wallet again. So if you lose the information that has to do with that wallet, is gone and it's gone forever. Now, on the other hand, the deterministic wallet is a wallet that is created of a master key or a seed. Now, the seed or the master key allows you to create multiple accounts on that wallet. Now, a very good example is something like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Now, like Trust Wallet, when you're trying to create an account, you're giving a seed phrase or mnemonics, like those 12-letter words, those 12 words, or depending on the one you choose. Yeah, so those things are cryptographically combined to create a seed for you. I don't want to go through all the process, but yeah, it gives you the seed. Now, with that, your seed, you can easily retrieve your wallet account, or all the accounts that are linked to that wallet. Now, that is why it's deterministic, because if you have the seed, you're able to get all the wallets that were created on that account. Now, I've mentioned account like a couple of times. So an account is an account, yeah. Well, there are like two types of accounts. accounts. There's the EOA, which is externally owned accounts. Now, externally owned accounts are accounts that have a private key. They have a private key attached to them, and they have a private key. That's like um, EOAs. While the other type of wallets, the other type of account is called contract accounts. Now, contract accounts are created from smart contract. They are created off codes, so they are being operated and run by codes. They are not. They don't have their own private keys. That's just like the difference. So most of the accounts we have as users of the blockchain, we have like externally owned account because we have our private key. Now, a very quick tip: make sure you keep your private key safe. Your private key should be private to you. If it gets to the hand of anybody, it will be used for whatever they want it to be. It's no longer private. If it's getting to other people, it's not private. Um, so there are so much more to say, but I think I'm going to wrap it up here. I also learned about the EVM. I also learned about gas, a whole lot. But I'm writing articles just to explain most of these things. So I'm going to keep a link to my blog, so you could just check it out and get enlightened. Thank you so much for staying till now. Thank you for watching. It shows that you're really interested in knowledge, and I celebrate you. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video.